Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Discover for automated savings goals after claims, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Discover website. In the top right corner, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you have entered your login credentials, click on the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to your Discover account dashboard. Look for the Savings Goals section on your dashboard. Click on the Savings Goals option to access your automated savings features. To create a new goal, select Create a New Goal. Enter the desired amount you wish to save. Set a deadline for when you want to achieve this goal. Choose a category that best fits your savings goal. You may also automate your savings by selecting the frequency of contributions. Once you've filled out all the information, click on Save Goal. Your new savings goal will now display on your dashboard. You can track your progress regularly from this section. Adjust your goals or contributions as needed to stay on target. Enjoy the benefits of automated savings with Discover. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.